Hello guys, welcome to my yay. I just really want to share something ba. So, bago ako nag-graduate, and if you're looking for or if you are searching for a motivation, then this might be your motivation if makakita mo ani. If you want to take the UST scholarship examination, or if you really want to be a DOST scholar, so this might be your motivation. Look at this. So, mo to ang medals. Mo to ang medals na inyong ma-receive. Katong the biggest one, katong na medal, mo to ang ma-receive ninyo sa DOST office. And you know, lahi jud ang feeling pag ma-receive nimo siya. Like, it's a proof of your hard work. And then ang isa to ka medal kay sa MIDSA to siya. So kanang MIDSA is an organization sa among university nga mga DOST scholars. So it's really nice. So wala lang, basin ma-motivate lang mo nga ma-DOST scholar. So here it is.